Here are the top stories making headlines across Central Luzon. Preparations are moving forward for the planned Pax Silica data center project in New Clark City, Capas, Tarlac. The Bases Conversion and Development Authority and the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority have signed a partnership designating the Port of Subic as the primary maritime gateway for the project's supply chain. However, concerns continue to be raised by affected communities. According to Barangay Captain Wendell Mercado, at least 92 farming families in Barangay O'Donnell may face displacement. Progressive group Bayan Gitnang Luzon also warned of possible impacts on Ada communities, environmental resources, and local livelihoods. BCDA meanwhile maintained that the project site is government-owned property intended for industrial and economic development. In other news, the BCDA is investing around 3.7 billion pesos for the long-term rehabilitation of the Pasig-Potrero River system and the SCTEX Bridge in Porac, Pampanga. Officials said years of excessive quarrying caused severe riverbed degradation, weakening the bridge's foundation and prompting the need for a long-term engineering solution. The rehabilitation includes the construction of a new bridge worth 2.8 billion pesos. Vice Governor Dennis Delta Pineda assured residents that the project aims to protect the vital Subic-Clark transport corridor while allowing the province's legitimate quarry industry to continue operating. The Department of Public Works and Highways has started asphalt overlay works along MacArthur Highway in Barangay Sampaloc, Apalit, Pampanga. The repairs were initiated following a CLTV36 news report of large potholes that pose risks to motorists, especially during heavy rains. Authorities advised motorists to expect slower traffic flow while roadworks are underway. Meanwhile, several local government units across Central Luzon have suspended face-to-face classes and government work due to the effects of Typhoon Luis. Suspensions remain in effect in the provinces of Bataan, Nueva Ecija, and Tarlac, as well as selected areas in Bulacan, Pampanga, and Zambales. Residents are advised to continue monitoring official announcements from Pag-asa and their respective local government units as weather conditions remain unstable. And finally, Filipina tennis star Alex Eala has made history after winning the 2026 Mubadala DC Open, becoming the first Filipina to capture a WTA Tour Women's Singles Championship. The 21-year-old defeated world number 3 Jessica Pegula in the finals after rallying from one set down. On her road to the title, Eala also defeated top-ranked players Leila Fernandez, Elina Svitolina, and Naomi Osaka. The victory lifts her to world number 20, marking another milestone for Philippine tennis. Those are the top stories making headlines across Central Luzon. I am Arnie Mendoza. For more regional news and updates, keep it here on CLTV36 News.